Today more than ever, we English teachers look for ready-made resources which work, are inspiring and motivating for our students, and make our lives just a bit easier. Our free English resources offer exactly that. Hi everyone, my name is Yuri. I'm an English teacher, a teacher trainer and a YouTube presenter. At Cambridge Assessment English, we are proud to help people learn English and prove their skills to the world. We provide the world's leading range of English qualifications for learners and teachers. Our English qualifications are designed by English language experts and recognized by over 25,000 universities, employers and governments around the world. Cambridge English qualifications provide regular goals which motivate your students and help them to improve step by step. Now let me show you how you can use our free teaching resources and why they are useful. Our brand new Classroom Project Pack is an excellent resource when you want your students to complete real-life tasks and be creative. It includes 50 fun English activities for all ages and levels and helps students develop all 4 language skills. There are 5 projects in the pack. Each includes 10 engaging activities. You can pick some or all of the activities and they can be adapted to suit different ages. Okay, so let's have a look at Project 1 together. When I was a student myself, I always asked questions like, why do I need to know this? Or, how is this going to help me in the future? It is ever so important for us teachers to give our students the opportunity to answer these essential questions. Project 1 helps you with exactly that, by asking the fundamental question of how English will improve my future and providing a variety of activities. In Activity 1, students first brainstorm and then share their ideas in a discussion. Then they get a real-life task to talk to their families about anyone they know who has achieved success because of learning English. After that, students talk to the class about their chosen person. Then they make a poster or write an essay which sums up why they think English is important for their future. And finally, students can organize an exhibition for other students or parents, displaying their posters and essays. I love this project because it not only helps students to improve all 4 language skills, but also to find their own personal reasons to study English in the first place. As a result, students are more motivated and have higher learner agency. Apart from the Classroom Project Pack, we also offer other free resources, such as wormers, posters, and lesson plans for younger and older learners. To access our free resources and the Classroom Project Pack, click on this link below this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time!